Are you trying to learn a new language and struggling with pronunciation and wish that you had an instant pronunciation tool which will give you results like this? Well, it's your lucky day because I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI as your personal pronunciation tool. Go to perplexity.ai, click on the home from the sidebar and select the languages option and then add in the prompt that you want to learn. Like I'll select how to ask direction in Finland and it will give me an answer. But you can see here all these dotted underlined words are actually audio cards, and if you click on them it will open the audio card for you which shows the English version, the Finnish version and the pronunciation of it, which I can play by using this play button here. And also if I want to practice my pronunciation, I can click on this voice tutor button and
Let's start with a key phrase for asking directions. He's sahur means where is.
it will ask you to repeat the sentence or the word and judge you by the way you pronounce it, and it will also correct you. Like here, if I say Misa on.
Good. That sounded much clearer that time.
So that's how you can use the voice tutor feature. And also if you want to change the word to a sentence, you can click on this button here and it will give you a sentence instead. And if you're using the free version of Perplexity and can't find the languages option, then you can also write the prompt in your simple chat like this and submit it, and it will still give you audio cards in the response which you can use. So that's how you make Perplexity AI your personal pronunciation tool.